Hello guys, after amazing meetup that we had in Bangalore, Ahmedabad and Delhi, today we are in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is known for its startup ecosystem and the developer community. Today morning we had amazing discussion with some of our partners.
The experience of the last 6 months at T-Hub has been absolutely fascinating. So as you know, what we are trying to do at T-Hub is build a movement, collaborative ecosystem for supporting entrepreneurs and innovation. And we are privileged and happy to have partnered with Google in that journey. So we value everything we've done with you.
Google for Startups partnership between T-Hub and the GFS has worked on multiple levels. One is we've had good knowledge sessions sharing for the startups across multiple topics, where experts from Google have come in and given guidance to the startups. Also, GFS has been part of our program calendar, conducting relevant sessions for the startups in the cohorts.
In the past 2 years, we've seen a lot of growth in terms of online learning. Not much of hybrid or blended learning, but mostly online. But this event right after the pandemic that we are planning to launch, called Reboot, is going to promote that hybrid kind of learning that we've not seen in the last couple of years, or blended kind of learning.
We want to create an impact in the academic community, helping the faculty members and at the same time the institutions and also the students. So end of the day, the students should get benefited out of these whatever the programs that we are doing.
Let's go and check out some of the discussion that we are going to have with our developer communities and startup communities in Hyderabad.
So I think we have a reasonably good agenda for us to interact and discuss. But as you go over the next few minutes, you'll know that for a lot of people, it could be the first ever physical event, right? Because you'll be consuming a lot of content.
I think offline is here to stay until the doomsday. So we are trying to get back to meet people in person, in flesh. And it's good to meet people and vibe around.
I believe having a local community is just as important as having a community in the first place. We have a community in our college. Had we not had one, I don't think I would have learned as much as I did. I don't think so many students in my college would have gotten to learn or to know what GDSC has to offer.
Having a community is as important as attending the classes, like even more than that, because the things that we learn in community are way practical than what we are taught in classes.
When you factor in the essence of human connections in the community events, that is what we were always here for, right? You could always grab all the knowledge from online content, right? But you attended community events because you wanted to learn from people and their humane experiences. So I do believe that the true future of community meetups has to be offline.
Thank you, and let's continue these conversations over dinner. Me and the team and the rest of us here would love to hear from you.
It's an awesome program, and we all are able to meet each other, exchange the ideas and look at how best we can implement not only for our college but from the community, spread and create more educators in the neighboring colleges and neighboring students, and enhance the society is what I think is the message I get from here.
And we want to invite the college and neighboring college faculties, and we want to educate them also on this Kotlin, and we want to make them spread this to their colleges, and we want to make more number of educators and more number of students learn Kotlin, and we want to contribute to the society or community back.
It's been 10 years for Hyderabad community. So it's like every day you tend to learn different challenge and you come up with the different solutions at the same time. And as you said, reboot. So basically we tend to reboot every day or every month with the different challenges.
As a GDSC lead, I try to facilitate peer-to-peer learning in our college, where we share content with them. We make sure that the Google technologies, the latest tech that is coming out, is available to the widespread community in our universities and people who are part of our GDSC chapter.
It is great. I mean, it's so good to meet everyone in person, including my team as well. This is the first time that I'm meeting everyone. So it is really nice, and getting to know everyone and networking with them. This is something that I have missed during my virtual events, because there was no other way other than the social media to connect with them.
Okay folks, that was a great day at Hyderabad Reboot. We met a lot of community folks. There were students, professionals, startups and faculty members. It was a great day and there were some great conversations over amazing food. We'll see you in another city. Until then, rethink, reconnect and reboot.